Straight right. Taking this pace right off the cut and left hook. Twice in a row.
Isa sa inabangan ngayon ng mga boxing fans itong Pinoy na future world champion. Ang kababayan ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo ng Tagbilaran City, Bohol, ang WBO Oriental Super Featherweight Champion na si Vergil Vitor, 25 years old na may 22 wins, 15 knockouts sa kanyang kartada. Binansagang valiente dahil sa lakas at bilis ng kanyang mga suntok. Talagang kaabang-abang sa mga boxing fans itong si Vitor, mga tol, dahil kumuha ito ng siyam na magkasunod na panalo at 8 dito ay tinapos niya sa knockouts at inangkin ang WBC Asia at WBO Oriental Super Featherweight titles. Matapos nakakuha si Vitor ng 19 na panalo dito sa Pilipinas, nabigyan ito ng pinakamalaking laban sa kanyang karera para sa isang titulo. Lumipad ang kampo ni Vitor sa Thailand sa unang pagkakataon upang sagupain itong Thai Super Featherweight Champion na si Kampi Payom na may 23 wins at 15 knockouts sa kanyang kartada. Hindi ito madaling laban para kay Vitor, mga tol, dahil si Payom nagmula sa 3 magkasunod na knockout na panalo at isang Thailand lightweight champion. At alam naman natin na napakahirap manalo sa desisyon dito sa Thailand dahil talamak na ang dayaan, kaya kailangan pabagsakin ang kalaban upang masigurado ang panalo. Tara mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinatulog ni Vitor itong hard puncher na Thai champion at talagang sinugod agad ito sa ospital. Sa laban na ito, dala ng Pinoy na si Vitor ang 20 wins, 2 losses na may 14 knockouts. Habang ang Thai champion naman ay may 23 wins, 6 losses na may 16 knockouts. Nakataya dito ang bakanting WBC Asian Super Featherweight title na naganap sa RCA Space Plus sa Bangkok, Thailand. Sa pagbungad ng laban, mga tol, mga malalakas na suntok na kagad ang pinakawalan ng dalawang boxers na gustong makakuha ng maagang knockout.
As we start round number 1. I feel like this is going to be another chess match. Vergil Vitor, WBC Asia Silver Super Featherweight. Jab to the body there from Vergil, exchanging good punches. Good left hook there from Vergil. And Kampi rallying as well with his own Asia Silver Super Featherweight title. Jab to the body there from Vergil. The fighters having their own moments here in round number 1, exchanging good punches. Good left hook there from Vergil. And Kampi rallying as well with his own right hand to the body, jab to the head of 2. Good jab and then right hook to the body from Kampi. Jab from Vergil.
Mula sa mabilis na palitan ng kombinasyon, isang solidong suntok ang naipatama ng Thai boxer, kaya naghiyawan ang mga Thai fans para sa suporta sa kanilang champion.
Landing their own straight right, big clubbing left hook there from Kampi, and that's got Vergil in a world of trouble. It looks like that shook the Filipino fighter, but I think he's just about recovered. Landed his own right hand and puts Kampi off balance too momentarily. Right hand from Vergil again. Clubbing left hook there from Kampi is. Yeah, both these two are very evenly matched. This is going to be a great fight, folks. Don't blink. Kampi, right hand lands for the Thai fighter. Vergil with the jab. 10 seconds to go in round number 1. This has been an excellent opening round. Vergil already showing signs of bruising on his left eye, and that's the end of round 1.
Naging agresibo pa rin ang dalawang boksingero dito sa round 2, mga tol, na parang wala na silang planong patagalin pa ang laban.
So round 1 was a really hotly contested matchup between both these two, just bobbing and weaving. Right hand there from Vitor. Uppercut. Uppercut to the head, into the body, and back to the head again from Kampi.
Right hand there from Campi. Red circle. Jab there from Campi and a right hand too.
Malalakas na suntok na ang naipatama ng dalawang fighters kung saan pareho itong nagpakita ng tibay dito sa kalagitnaan ng round 2.
From Campi and a right hand too. Single shots being landed very effectively by the Thai fighter. A breather there, trying to re-strategize here early on in round number 2. Oh, good left hook there from Virgil, who caught Campi flush on the chin.
There from Virgil, who caught Campi flush on the chin. Good shots to the body and tripling up with the left hook and rallying with the uppercut as well. Going back to the left hook here, Virgil turning the screws in round 2. Can he maintain this pace? Right uppercut and left hook twice in a row, and Campi is down on the canvas.
Mula sa malakidlat na bilis na pinakawalan ni Vitor, bagsak agad ang Thai boxer at nauna pa ang mukha at diretso ito tulog. Kaya mula dito, tinigil na ng referee ang laban.
Maintain this pace, right uppercut and left hook twice in a row. What a knockdown, and it doesn't look like Campi's going to get up, and that's it.
The punch! What a knockout from the new WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight Champion!
And Campi is vicious. Okay, we will get an official decision from Teddy Mulgay very shortly.
Nakuha ni Vitor mga tol ang knockout na panalo sa round 2 at naging WBC Asian Champion, habang si Payom naman ay dinala agad sa ospital upang masuri ng doktor. Tungkol naman sa performance ni Vitor mga tol, pwede na kaya itong mag-world champion? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
And your winner by KO from the blue corner, Virgil Victor!
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.